Are you worried about how disruptive a remodeling process is? The Bath & Kitchen Gallery has a stress-free remodeling process. This process has design up front. You make all your material selections before you sign the contract. That is less stressful because you know what's going to be installed during the remodeling process. We then order all the materials. We don't start until all the materials are in our warehouse and we have your permit. So all the drawings will have been completed. We have great communications to the customer during this time frame. Once your project starts, you have a lead carpenter. He is assigned to stay on your job and he's there every day for you to communicate with, and he manages all the other guys that will be on site, any subcontractors. He's there working with them. You don't have to worry about meeting new people and who's coming and going, because our lead carpenter, who's paid by the hour, will be there every day. All of our subcontractors are actually our employees. So the plumbing contractor, electrical, any of the drywall finish or tile installation is all our employees. These are in-house subcontractors. The process also includes putting up plastic dust protection, running a HEPA-filled air scrubber, and daily cleanup for your job. For more information on stress-free remodeling, go to TampaKitchenandBath.com.